okay, and talking about the relationships between variables. We'll get a lot more into this later in the bivariate analysis class. We'll talk about this, but just to touch on the point, we want to understand the relationships between variables, right? And there's lots of relationships in our data set, right? So there's so much to do, as I've talked about. There's so many things. Remember, from above, the thing that we talked about is you want to have a hypothesis that's guiding our analysis, right? We don't want to understand all of these relationships. They could be interesting. We could have a reason to understand lots of them, but all of them might not be as important, right? There might be a lot of useless relationships that don't help us understand our target use case. Okay? So if you want to understand just a few of these relationships, not all of them right here. And think a little bit here, if you look at these two pictures right here, we can see that this is obviously a positive relationship here. There's as one increases, the other one increases, and you can see there's a generally increasing relationship. And here below, you can see that there's a generally negative relationship. But if we inspect this a little bit more, you can almost see that there's two clusters going on. It's a little bit more in each individual cluster, there's more of a positive relationship or not really a relationship between these two variables. Is this the kind of point? Is we want to understand correlations and associations, and we want to look a little bit deeper. We have the ability to go and understand with the many tools available in Python, Pandas, Seaborn, and Plotly to really understand these relationships at a much deeper level and not just accept that correlation is the end all be all. It's a good starting point, but it's not where we should stop our